The next dhatu is ukh. Ukh. Ukh gata uk. So ukh plus tip शप कृष्ण धातु के लघु से गोविंद ओखति ओखतः इत्यादि।
गुरुजी क्या हुआ इसको?
लघु से गोविंद।
देखो तो ऐसे को।
ऊ है ना, ऊ इज लघु एंड ऊ इज उद्धव, सो ऊ बिकम्स ओ, उद्धव से गोविंद। ओखति ओखत ओखंती, लाइक दैट। देन नरे दुतोर यु वाविक आत्मकेतर सर्वेश्वरे अधोक्षज। The E and U of Nara changes to ear and U respectively. Just like if you remember, we had one sutra in nouns. Dhato riduto yuva sarveshwara gaulam. So something like that. The E and U of Nara changes to ear and U respectively when a sarveshwara other than their ekatmaka follows. So, for example, uk plus nal, we do laghudas govinda,
हम्म।
o, or we can do reduplication first, depends. Let me show you here. So uk plus null. So we can do reduplication. Uh, then u becomes o, right? By Laghudas Govinda. So Nara, Sutra says Nare Dutor Yu Vavik Atma Ketra Sarveshware. If we have e or u at Nara, and if we have a Sarveshwara following in Narayana, which is not Ekatmaka of Nara,
हम्म।
which is not Ekatmaka of Nara. So O is certainly not Ekatmaka of U.
यस।
Then U will become UF and E will become ear. So thus U becomes UF. So we get Uvoka. Uvoka.
होगा।
Uvoka. Then just look at the second one. Uk plus Atus. Now Atus is Kapila. By which sutra?
दैट
Asayoga
असंयुक्त
Dalit.
अलिद अलिद अथोक्षज कपिलः।
Asayoga Dalit Dhokshaja Kapila. So because Atus is Kapila, so we can't do Govinda.
यस।
Ishasya na Govinda Vrishnidro Kansarishu. So U remains U. Now we do reduplication. Now is this U, the Narayana U, Ekatmaka of the Nara U? Yes, it is. So then we don't convert U into U. There is no replacement. And we simply apply the Shavtar Ekatmake Militva Trivikrama. So it becomes Ukhatuhu. Ukhatuhu. Ukhuhu. And like that. Okay. Then the next dhatu is Achi Ayame, to
तो
stretch. Yes, yes.
सो देर ततः वयं अ, वद अ, वदामः तत् 374 सूत्रम् एवं प्रयुज्यन्ते in 1.1, 2.1 and 3.1.
Uvoka, uvokita, uvoka. Um, यत्र कुत्रापि अनेकात्मकः वर्तते नारायणे तत्र एव चतुःसप्ति सप्तति उत्तर उत्तर त्रिंशत् सूत्र संख्यम और संख्यां लगिष्यति
प्रोजी
तत्सूत्रं
क्या
लगिष्यति।
क्या मतलब? प्रोजी समझ नहीं लगा, समझ लगा।
यत्र कुत्रापि
वेयर कुत्रापि.
यत्र कुत्रापि जहां कहीं भी
हम्म.
अनेकात्मक नर नरस्य अनेकात्मकः वर्तते नारायणे नारायणाग्रे
हम्म.
नारायण के शुरू में अग्रभाग में जहां कहीं भी नर का अनेकात्मक होगा मतलब एकात्मक नहीं होगा
नहीं होगा.
है ना एकात्मक अनेकात्मक एकेडमी अनअकेडमी तो तत्र एव सूत्र संख्यां चतुःसप्तति उत्तर त्रिंशत् वर्तते अथवा लगिष्यति
Done.
अस्तु अनन्तरम् आछि आयामे इति धातुः आछि आयामे धातु अ, हम्म आछि ईरामे धातुर्नुम् ईरामे
Yes.
धातुर्नुम्
न न राम प्रयुज्यन्ते.
आम् यदि धातौ ईरामस्य इत्
इत
भवति तर्हि
तर्हि.
धातु में ईराम इत है देन वी अप्लाई ईराम धातु नुम सूत्र वी इंसर्ट नुम अंत्य सर्वेशात् परम इतः स्थानम देन वी अप्लाई तवर्गस्य च वर्गश्च वर्ग योगे राइट तवर्गस्य च वर्गश्च वर्ग योगे न becomes न्य
Yeah.
so we get anch so we get anch so anchati आंचति आंचतः आंचन्ति नरस्य वामनः आछि धातु is there but it becomes anch null we do the reduplication then by this sutra narasya vamanah vartate it takes place a becomes a and then we apply narade ramasya trivikramah narade ramasya trivikramah the a of nara becomes trivikrama so we then again make it into trivikrama a becomes a
Mm.
and then we apply tasma nut dvi vishnu jane dhatu
Mm.
after a becomes a if the narayana has a satsanga or two vishnu janas then we apply nut so we apply nut so we get anangcha anangcha okay now you can ask a question that first we are making trivikrama into vamana by narasya
Yes.
vamana and then again vamana into trivikrama why not directly we applied tasman nut dvivishnu jane dhatu so tasman nut dvivishnu jane dhatu means that that sutra will only apply after Naradir and Ramasya Trivikrama. They are joint.
Mm.
Only
Yes.
we turn Vamana into Trivikrama, then only we can apply that sutra. So it's not a separate, independent sutra. So that's why Narasya Vamana, then Vamanasya Trivikrama, and then Nut comes. So
Mm.
Anancha.
Launch.
Then Shasja Gatau. Shasja Gatau. Sasya Joje Natu Vaishnave. Sa changes to Ja when another Ja follows, but not when a Ja that is followed by a Vaishnava follows. So Shasd is there. So first of all, we apply Dhatwadishah Sa. Sha becomes Sa. And then we apply this rule. Sorry, then Shab Krishna Dhatuke, and then this rule. Sa becomes Ja by this rule. Sasya Joje Nadu Vaishnave. Because after Ja, we have Shab, or rather A, which is not a Vaishnava.
Mm.
So the first Sa becomes Ja, so we get Sajjati. Sajjati, Sajjadah, Sajjanti, Sajjasi, Sajjami. Then the next dhatu is vaj. So now see, Jiva Goswami's pattern is he's just showing some unique sutras and the unique applications. All other forms are done by the previous rules, previous sutras. So, so you all are expected to, know all the forms. Either you write or you just recite them mentally, whatever way you do. Then Vajgatau. शसु ददवरामादीनां गोविन्दारामस्य च नैत्वादि. शसु धातु, दद धातु, dhatus beginning with va, like vaj, and dhatus whose medial is a product of govinda. They don't undergo the change to a and loss of nara prescribed in Sutra 363. What was 363? Where the nara, huh?
आदेशहीन
आदेश,
आदेश
नराध्यक्षस्य
नरस्याक्षर
धातुयुक्तस्य विष्णुजनमध्यस्य आरामस्य नरादर्शनम इत्वं च. That's it.
कपिलाधोक्षजे सेठथली च.
Right. So that is 363. So this sutra is prohibiting the application of 363. So sutrani षड्विधानि, you remember? Sangya cha, paribhasha cha, vidhir niyama, ityadi. So which kind of sutra is this then? It is prohibiting.
अपवाद
No,
नियम
no. This is
prohibiting
Pratished Sutra.
निषेध.
Yeah, Nishedh. Pratished or Nishedh?
निषेध.
Pratished Sutra is prohibitive. Okay, so
Prabhuji, which was the Nishedh Sutra, because it is Sangya Paribhasha Vidhi Niyam Atidesha Adhikar.
yeah, read the Vritti there of Sutra 40.
Prabhuji, मतलब कौन सा मतलब होगा?
Read the Vritti I'm saying of Sutra 40. You will get the answer. वृत्ति 40 नंबर सूत्र की वृत्ति पढ़ी ना, उसी सूत्र की सूत्राणि षड्विधानि. उसमें लिखा है कि कभी कभी अतिदेश के स्थान पे प्रतिषेध कहा जाता है.
ओके.
तो वज प्लस अतुस. So vaj plus atus. Now ideally we do the reduplication. So ideally adeshhina sutra was applicable here, and it would have become vejatuhu, like we made rejatuhu, nedatuhu. But because this sutra is stopping us from doing it, so we don't apply adeshahina. So we simply get vavajatuhu. Vavajatuhu. Then vrajagatahu. सर्वधर्मान परित्यज्य मामेकम शरणम. व्रज comes from this dhatu, vrajagatu.
Prabhuji, but पूर्वे सूत्रे dhatus whose medial a is not a product is a product of govinda don't go undergo the change to a. इसका प्रभुजी क्या मतलब अर्थ?
इसका मतलब हुआ कि कोई मान लीजिए धातु है, नारायण है, धातु है, उसमें यदि अ है और वो अ ओरिजिनली धातु में नहीं था, किंतु कुछ विधि करके वो अ बन गया. इसको हम करेंगे चर्चा, ये आगे आएगा कि कैसे वो इज नॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ, इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ गोविंदा और नॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ गोविंदा. ये आगे आएगा. जैसे वज धातु है, वज में जो अ है वो नेचुरली पहले से है, उसको हमने किसी नियम से बनाया नहीं है अ. पर ऐसे भी धातु हैं आएंगे आगे जहां पे वो बन जाते हैं. गोविंद, मान लीजिए गोविंद वगैरह करके, है ना. जैसे मान लो धातु है सृप गतौ, सृप धातु है, और फिर यहां पर हमने लगाया नल, वी अप्लाइड नल, राइट. So then we apply, let's say we do the reduplication, Sri. And by applying Laghu Udhavasya Govinda, so re becomes what? Ar.
अर
तो नाउ
सर।
यहाँ पर जो अ है वो गोविंद का रिजल्ट है, वो नेचुरली
जी।
नहीं था।
हम्म।
इस तरह से, है ना?
ओके।
आगे और भी उदाहरण आएंगे तो समझेंगे।
अ, अब प्रभु जी, यदि अ, एतद् सूत्रं न
पर्यंत।
दृश्यति,
विद
uh,
किम सूत्रम?
this एतत्
वद
up up
प्रतयोर शशुदद।
then the form of Vajra would 1.2 would be like, please proceed बताना कि if is it right or not. It would be va vejatuhu.
नो नो, ववजतु।
अगर वैसे अगर वो सूत्र लगता,
अच्छा
मतलब
अच्छा, तो सिर्फ वेजतु।
वेज,
वेजतु।
हाँ वो नर का लोप हो गया।
नर का लोप हो जाता है ना।
चलो, वेजतु।
वेजतु। when in 10th canto, mother Rukmini, that prasanga, that section of mother Rukmini sending love letter and her thoughts. So there the verse comes, and the verse says that then at a certain point she considered Krishna, or she accepted Krishna to be her husband, mentally. So the
हम्म।
word comes patim mene. Patim mene.
मैंने।
Mene. So mene is adhokshaja. A ate ire. A.
ए आते ईरे।
So
ईरे।
the dhatu is man.
प्रभु जी, मी रे इट वाज और मीने।
Mene, mene.
मैंने।
Yeah, so dhatu is man. Pratyaya is A. Adhokshaja atmapada. And by applying adeshahina naradya aksharasya, तो नर, नर तो डिलीट हो गया, और नारायण का
हम्म।
अ बन गया ए। तो मैंने,
हम्म।
शी
फिर
कंसिडर्ड, मैंने पतिम मैंने तम
कंस
आत्मनः।
मैंने। फिर-
ठीक है। एक सूत्र और पढ़ना है या श्लोक पढ़े? अन्वय भागवत।
जैसे आपको ठीक लगे प्रभु जी।
ठीक है,
प्रभु जी वैसे,
व्याकरण।
हाँ,
श्लोक पढ़ते हैं।
प्रभु जी वैसे ये कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं ये 379 तक, क्योंकि बाद में मेरे ख्याल अनिट धातु शुरू हो गए।
ठीक है, यहीं तक रुकते हैं। मुझे तो 1 मिनट लगेगा पर आपको मतलब वो होता है ना, पूरा प्रोसेसिंग करने में टाइम लग जाता है। और आपका जो मैंने सुना उसका रिजल्ट भी ज्यादा परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा नहीं था तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट
यस प्रभु जी, ठीक।
श्लोक ही करते हैं। तो हम वी स्टडीड टेक्स्ट 13 लास्ट टाइम, वी स्टडीड 14 ऑल्सो, 15। 15 श्रीशुक उवाच सम्यग् व्यवसिता बुद्धिस्तव राजर्षि सत्तम, वासुदेव कथायां ते यज्जाता नैष्ठिकी रतिः। श्री सुखदेव गोस्वामी saying, हे राजर्षि सत्तम, ओ बेस्ट ऑफ द राजर्षिस, सेंटली किंग्स, ओ राजर्षि सत्तम, हे राजर्षि सत्तम, तब बुद्धि ही सम्यक व्यवसिता, योर बुद्धि, योर इंटेलिजेंस इज वेल सिचुएटेड। सम्यक इज वेल, नाइस, बेटर, नाइस, वेल। व्यवसिता, इट्स लाइक व्यवसाय, focused, well situated. Vyavasita, having one conclusion, one focus, target, lakshya in mind, one prayojana. It's not like he's going to die, so his buddhi is scattered. What will happen after him in the kingdom? His bachas, children, grandchildren, this, that. No, he's well focused. So tava buddhi samyak vyavasita. Your buddhi intelligence is well focused. Very nice. How? Yaj, because ते वासुदेव कथायां नैष्ठिकी रतिः जाता, because yaj, that yaj is yat, which means because, yatah, because you have developed jata rati, attraction. And what kind of attraction? Naishtiki. Very stable, sthai rati. Naishtiki rati, determined attraction, attachment, in the narrations of Vasudev. In the pastimes, the narrations, the katha of Vasudev. That's why your buddhi, your intelligence is well focused or well situated. Samyak vyasita. I hope you also observe the adjective nouns, their endings, like buddhi is Strilinga, Lakshmi Linga, so Samyak Vyavasita is also Lakshmi Linga. So I hope you all do that, although we don't discuss, that much detail. Naishtiki Ratihi, Rati is Lakshmi Linga, so Naishtiki also is Lakshmi Linga. So just observe everything, each bit, and if you don't understand, then you can ask.
Prabhuji, like the यत शब्द इति
Mm-hmm.
ब्रह्मलिंग 1.1 इति विष्णु भक्ति कम
Mm-hmm.
तरहि किम बिकॉज इति आंग्ले भाषे
यत् शब्दः अव्ययः अपि अस्ति, पृथक्,
कथम
अ, पृथक् रूपः अस्ति यत् शब्दस्य, तत्र यत् शब्दस्य यतः बिकॉज अर्थः अस्ति, तत् तत्र यत् शब्दः कृष्णनाम न अस्ति।
एतद् यज् अव्यय अस्ति
एतत् यद् अव्ययः अस्ति,
न न कृष्ण नाम
कृष्णनामः नास्ति।
तर्हि वयं कथं दृश्यते
अ, शिक्षकात् शिक्षकात्, आचार्यस्य, अ, टीकायाः अन्वय अन्वयात्, डिक्शनरी अपि वर्तते।
एंड प्रभुजी लाइक जैसे बट आई हर्ड दैट यतः with the tasi tadit pratyaya it becomes it has the अर्थ of because
बिकॉज, हाँ वो भी है, दैट इज ऑल्सो देयर, बट यत अपने आप में भी एक अव्यय शब्द हो जाता है जिसका अर्थ बिकॉज में यूज होता है।
okay
आई थिंक आपको ध्यान होगा, वी एट द एंड ऑफ सेकंड चैप्टर, व्हेन वी वर रीडिंग कृष्ण नाम,
Hmm.
so there was one chart, yatah tat, the correlative pronouns, if you remember.
yes Prabhuji
Yatah tatah yatra tatra yarhi tarhi. I think
Hmm.
there also there is yat and tat. Yat is because and tat is therefore. If you can just go through. Yat is because, tat is therefore.
is therefore
Yeah, just check there.
yes Prabhuji checking just checking
Mhm.
Hmm.
Is it there?
बस प्रभुजी ये देख ही रहा हूँ, है कहाँ ये? यत शब्द कहाँ गया?
वो
तत्।
टेबल था ना, एक चार्ट बना हुआ था एक छोटा सा। ठीक है, आप देखिएगा अभी।
यस प्रभु जी,
हम्म।
बाद में देख लेता हूँ।
वासुदेव कथा प्रश्न पुरुषां स्त्रीन् पुनाति हि वक्तारं प्रच्छकं श्रोत्रींस् तत्पाद सलिलम यथा। वासुदेव कथा प्रश्न त्रीन पुरुषान पुनाति ही। So the questions about Vasudev, or the questions in relation with the pastimes, the narrations of Vasudev, such questions they purify Punati, Pung Pavanit, Punati.
पुन, पुन टू प्योरीफाई।
Pu means to purify, Punati.
देन प्रभु जी इट हैज न एज अ विकरण, सो सप्त गण।
तो भ्वाद्य दादि जो होते आदि दिवादि स्वादि रेच तो दादिश्च रुधादिश्च तनक क्रियादि क्रियादिश अपश्ना क्रीणादि, इट इज द नाइन्थ गण पुनाति, नवम गण। उसमें ना विकरण आ जाते हैं, द ना विकरण कम्स इन द नाइन्थ गण। क्रीणाति, पुनाति, गृह्णाति, ददाति प्रति गृह्णाति, ना। सो वासुदेव कथा प्रश्न दे प्यूरिफाई whom? They purify three kinds of people. Three purushan punati. And who are those three kind of people? Vaktaram. Vaktaram is Vaktri, one who speaks, one who is narrating, one who is speaking. Prachakam, one who is asking the prashna, Prachakam. And Shrotreen, the listeners, Bahuvachana. Shrotreen, those who are listening. So Vasudeva Katha Prashna purify these three kinds of people: the speaker, the inquirer, and the listeners. In this case, Shukdev Goswami is speaking, Parikshit Maharaj is Prachakam, and all other sages are Shrotrin, Shrotagana.
प्रभु
Then,
जी।
Tat Pada Salilam Yatha. Just like Ganga. Ganga is the Salila, the water emerging out of the lotus feet of Krishna, the Lord. So just like the holy waters, like Ganga, they purify. Similarly, Vasudeva Katha Prashna also purify. Yes.
प्रभु जी, अ, हम द संधि between the Shrotrim and
Hmm.
Tat, not able to understand. What could be the
Non
word for the Shrotrim?
नौन्तश् तथयो शरामः तथयो शरामः तथयो स राम विष्णुचक्रपूर्वो विष्णुचापपूर्वो वा। That sutra. Na becomes Vishnu Chakra plus sa.
Shrotrin, Shrotrin,
Yeah, this is 2.3.
2.3.
Shrotreen, like Pitreen.
सलीलम यथा।
Purushanstreen also, same sandhi.
पुरुषम।
Purushantreen, same sandhi.
Got it, प्रभु जी।
Okay, one more. Bhumir Dripta Nripa Vyaj दैत्यानीक शतायुतैः आक्रांता भूरि भारेण ब्रह्माणं शरणं ययौ. Now the story begins by Shukadev Goswami. Bhumi, Bhumi, Mother Earth, Bhumi Devi, दृप्त नृप व्याज दैत्य अनीक शतायुतैः भूरि भारेण आक्रांता. So Bhumi Devi, Mother Earth, she was overwhelmed. Yeah, Akranta. She was so overwhelmed, suffocating by the great burden. Bhuri Bhar. Bhar is burden. So whose burden? So the burden of the unlimited demons or demons and their armies. Daitya and Anika. Anika is army. Drishtva Pandava Nikam. 1.2. Drishtva Pandava Nikam. Bhagavad Gita. Anika is army. Again, Anika is used here.
Nika.
So the Bhara, the burden consisted of the unlimited number of soldiers and the demons who were disguised as kings. Nripa Vyaj Daitya. The demons, they took the form of kings and they were all fraud, deceiving, dripta, full of pride. So Bhumi was suffering due to the existence, mere existence of all these. What to say about their actions, bad actions? Bhumi Devi was just suffocating by mere existence of these Daitya, Anika. So, in such a state of mind, when she was depressed, we can say she was depressed. So, it's usual to get depressed, depressed. What about us? Even demigods, they get depressed. Bhumi Devi gets depressed. So, she went to her counselor and not her spiritual master directly. Brahmanam. So, she went to Lord Brahma. So, Brahmanam Sharanam Yayosh. So, she went Yayo and took shelter, Sharanam, of Brahma, of Lord Brahma. Brahma. Okay?
Prabhuji.
Yes.
Prabhuji, like the Dript means full of pride.
Yeah, full of pride. It can mean a lot of things, but yeah, in that direction only. Dripta, yeah, proud, arrogant, wild.
And Prabhuji, Vyaj.
Vyaja means disguised,
This guy.
deceit, fraud, disguising as you are something, but you're disguising as someone else.
Hmm.
Maybe a thief disguised as a devotee. So that's Vyaja.
And Akranta, Prabhuji.
Akranta, Akranta is mm, overcome,
Overcome.
overwhelmed, agitated.
Attacked also, Prabhuji.
Attacked is also one of the meanings, but here that won't fit. So she
Okay.
was overcome, she was agitated, by them.
Overcome. Alright.
Like, for example, we fight someone
Hmm.
or someone says bad to us.
Hmm.
And then afterwards, we are just akrant mati. Our intelligence, buddhi is just thinking about that person and the bad words we heard about ourselves. So that's akrant. It's fully absorbed there. So
Hmm.
Akrant, that's also a weapon or fight, attack, non-verbal attack.
And Prabhuji, Bhuri.
Bhuri is many, prachur, bhuri,
Bhuri means.
many.
And Prabhuji, a youth is which number? It's crore.
Shata, Ayutta is 10,000? Yeah, Ayutta is 10,000.
And Prabhuji, Yayau, which Prabhuji it could be the
This is Adhokshaja, 1-1, Parapada, null, null.
null. We will see this from ahead.
It will come ahead. Okay, so let Mother Prithvi get some counseling. Meanwhile, yeah, we'll discuss the counseling later and what Brahma does ahead. So we'll resume on Tuesday. Oh no,
And Prabhu,
Saturday. Saturday.
and Prabhu ji, aham आशा ददामि that tat aham uh, शनिवासरे on शनिवासर th that aham these रूपाणि सिद्धं भविष्यामि.
जय तू जय तू जय तू अहम अपि आशे यत् विष्णु सहस्रनाम प्रभुः एवं च जय निताय प्रभुः अपि सर्वाणि रूपाणि सेत्स्यतः शिधु धातु we did right शिधु so शिधु धातु कल्कि परपद 1.2 because they are two सेत्स्यति सेत्स्यतः सेत्स्यतः और या सेत्स्यतः और सेदिष्यतः स्वरति सुति सुयति धुयुदित इडवा इट इज ऑप्शनल सेदिष्यतः और सेत्स्यतः ओके सो विल स्टॉप हियर विल रिज्यूम ऑन सैटरडे
अति अति खतरनाकं रूपाणि सिधु धातु
अस्तु
एव.
वयमपि आक्रान्तः रूपैः आक्रान्तः अस्तु
आम्
अस्तु
आम् आम्.
हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्ण.
हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्णा।
प्रभु जी
अनन्तरं
एक्सेल
वाट्साप्
एक्सेल
मध्ये
शीटे एक्सेल
एक्सेल्
शीटे
शीटे अहं पृष्टवान् सः प्रभु व्यस्तः अस्ति सः मां न प्रेषितवान् उन्होंने भेजा नहीं मुझे इसलिए whenever you send I'll share
आम् प्रभु अस्तु.
हरे कृष्ण
जयतु संस्कृतम्.
जयतु संस्कृतम्